guys, happy Sunday. I hope you all had a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful week. I'm pre-recording this video for the coming Sunday, but I just quickly want to talk about understanding. Okay, I think it's one of the key habits and a key personality trait to have, that you are very understanding as a human being and as a person. So I get this a lot where I'm putting up a story, and some people can interpret it in a very negative way, and some people can just find positives in the same thing. So it's not really about that one person is right and one person is wrong. It's about, okay, one person looks at something and they have a different set of thought processes, and they have different views, and then they look at that one thing from their perspective. I am putting up a story from my perspective, you look at my story, you look at this video from your perspective. So whenever we look into the world, or whenever we are trying to understand a person or understand a situation, we are always looking at the world with our eyes. The world doesn't exist, the problems don't exist, there's no view if it is not coming from your eyes. So two people can look at the same thing and they will look at different things, right? So let's say you are out for shopping and you see a bag that you really, really want and love, you enjoy, and you just want to pick it up, but you see the pricing and see it's for 20,000, 25,000, and you just have that, oh, everything in the world is so expensive, and people are only buying costly things and stuff. I can't afford it, I can't afford it. And then there is another person who will look at it and be like, oh, that's for 25,000. One day I want to be so capable that I go and buy 25,000 ka bag, right? So it's not about that the world is everything in the world is so expensive, or luxury is so expensive, or everything in the world is wrong, or all the news are just bad and something is going wrong. People are dying of COVID is just be getting spread and spread, flights are shutting down, countries are going into lockdown, and everything is happening. That's very true. It's our reality, it's happening, and you can't just say, oh, it's not happening, COVID is not there, or COVID is non-existent. We know it's there, we know people who are going through it, we all know someone who is suffering from it. So of course it's there, but it's so important for you to understand yourself and see how you are looking at this world. So if you find illness and sickness in every wrong thing around you, or even in the right things around you, the problem is not really sickness, the problem is you. The problem is the way you look at it. So when I am consulting and when I am speaking with people who have hormonal issues and PCOD and thyroid condition, high prolactin levels, diabetes, cardiovascular issues, XYZ, it's a lot of sickness for me to go throughout the day, right? Sometimes a patient falls sick, sometimes someone who is eating something is not correct and it doesn't suit them, sometimes rice doesn't work. So I am always surrounded by, so I'm just going to give you my examples as to how I strike a balance and how I am understanding of my body and world and sickness and illness and health around me. So if I look at sickness, I just don't constantly believe that, okay, I am going to be sick because I constantly think about sickness. I always know where to draw the line, where to put my filter, where only certain things can come inside of me. And I understand some people have hormonal issues. It does not mean that I am also going to have the same thing. So if you usually, what you talk about all day long, it manifests in your reality. You become what you talk about. You become the kind of people you surround yourself with. But it is so important for you to be understanding that the world is a certain way, but it's your understanding of the world, it's your perspective of the world that changes everything. So if you seek and if you find problem and negativity in everything that you are seeing, maybe the problem is in you. And the more you are able to understand yourself, the more you are in tune with yourself, the more you would be able to understand a person online or on social media, or even your relationships and your parents. So when my parents are not okay leaving gluten and dairy, let's say some patients are not okay living their paratha and puri and sabji, I have to understand that a certain person has eaten gluten and wheat ka chapati and paratha for 40-50 years of their life. I can randomly just not get up one day and say, hey, leave this, right? I have to put up an explanation. I have to tell, hey, see, this is what I feel, this is how it works, this is how it doesn't work. Now what you do with what I tell you, it's your responsibility, it's your life. So that's the kind of understanding that you have with a person, with a patient, where you're not just jumping down their throat and pushing things down their throat. You explain it to them, you understand why that person is not willing to leave gluten, you understand why that person does not want to let go of dairy, you understand why that person cheats on their meal, you understand why that person is constantly craving sugar. So you're understanding love, everything in this world, I believe, The universe is inside of you. The world is inside of you. It doesn't exist if you don't exist. If I take your brain away, there's nothing. You're surrounded by nothing. You cannot make out what I am saying or who am I. You will not remember me. So if everything is inside of you, if everything is inside of me, why can't I have the power to change how I look at things? And we always have to remember, fighting and bringing people down and being negative and being sad, it's a very small life and it goes away so quickly. And I love how Sadhguru says it, that the happier you are, the shorter it becomes. Only sad people live a long life. Only sad people live a long life. I don't want you to be one of them. I don't want you to be sad. I want you to be happy. I want you to know that things are possible. The world can change. The universe is inside of you, and you are capable of doing anything you put your heart and mind to. But you have to begin by understanding yourself. And once you understand yourself, you understand the people around you, you understand the world around you, you understand me, I can understand you. So when you just put up a negative comment, I know that you are not saying negative comment because you hate me. You don't know me enough to hate me or love me, but you are saying it from your understanding of the world, and I have to reply back to it by my understanding of this world. And that is how we can live a beautiful life and just this dance of life, by just taking care of basics. So something as simple as being more understanding is liberating, it's empowering, it's powerful. And I really hope this makes sense. Happy Sunday to you. Please take care of yourself. And Self-Care Sunday is not just on Sundays, it's today and every other day henceforth. And I want you to take care. Please enjoy and have fun. Bye.